in a storage place. How do I know this? Look around you. That's how. How do I know I revive things from the dead? Yeah, I can show ya. I've experimented with reviving plants from the dead first before I decided to move on to bigger targets. Well, not targets, but I don't want to say targets, but fuck, I need to rephrase that. Anyways, I've experimented on plants by giving them an immortal sun, eternal rain, and no floods. And I found some strawberries. Well, they will be strawberries, I believe. I'm just looking at the blueberry plants. There we go. I think these are teal. No? Okay. Anyway, we're at the tower now. Science! So... Ooh, I think I found more strawberry plants. Finding more proof from my hard work and saving the goddamn world. Let's pay it off. If you see any plants that have been revived from extinction, yeah. How, magic, science, math, sun, photosynthesis, precipitation, and I mean precipitation and rain are like the same thing, but I'm just saying I'm gonna make all of nature immortal. I can with science! Yeah! Sorry, there's no one around so I can be my batshit insane self. Anyways, there's some strawberry plants. Here's where the blueberries will grow. I still need to give them some more water first. Yeah. Want to see the movement? It makes rain. I'm not human, so it genuinely does. That did rain. And then this one makes lightning. Kaboom! You won't see it here. It usually goes after like bad guys, or just to scare people into like being on the best behavior. Anyways, look at this tree. I love trees. Saving them by leaving them alone and giving them an immortal sun, motherfucker! And wind. I need to make wind. This movement you see here makes wind. See? Look, there's a breeze. Watch the rustling of the leaves. Hold on, let me zoom in real quick. Oh, okay. I guess I can't zoom in with this. Using my cell phone to record all this. But yeah. Pine cones! Fucking hell, I love pine cones. Look! It's working. The science, the math, the calculations, the fucking superpowers that I have to make rain in an immortal sun is motherfucking working. How do I know this? Life is flourishing. I'm such a happy mad scientist. Screaming internally right now because I'm just so excited seeing all this plant life. I'm going to revive raspberries from the dead next and let them grow everywhere wildly and freely, and they'll be free for people to eat. Just like the good old days back then. I'm fighting to bring back the good old days, by the way. Well, the right way. Anyways, look at this tower. It's so big. It reminds me of that one fair ride that like shoots into the air. It looks exactly like that, except that metal thingy is like seats. Well, not exactly like that, but like the structure of the fair ride or carnival amusement park ride looks very similar to this tower here in Sucker River. Ah! Anyways, I think that's all for today. Oh, no, I found some new plants. If you see new plants, it's because I helped a lot. I love science and I love nature. And I love pine cones. Sometimes I just like have no thoughts and then my head is empty. And then I think about pine cones and everything's okay again. Well, I know how to solve problems, like every single kind of problem. If there's a new problem, this is going to be a new superpower for the goddess of life or death. Life and death, I meant to say. I don't know if I want to edit this video because I want to be my full-fledged self while I'm making these videos. Look what I made. Ha! See? Anyways, sorry. What was that again? Yes, I know not to use birch trees as scratching poles, so freaking sorry. Sorry, I'm a cat-like goddess. That means that I'm... Cats and I can relate. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, I'm so shy on camera. Anyways, I'm gonna smoke some weed later. But do you guys want to see this? Look at that! Woo! More strawberries. Oh, the revival move. That one is like the fucking... It's the shit. Because it revives people from the dead. I revived Johnny Gat from the dead, by the way. I love that guy. His friend. Ah! Sorry, I'm trying to find a place where I can place my phone. Holy fuck, that's a huge bug. Oh wait, that's not a bug. It's a little leafy. Oh no, looks sad. I need to help it somehow. We're giving it rain. It's really hard to make clouds. So like I have to wait till the sun evaporates all the water runoff from the mountains. Or not the water runoff. I think it's the water runoff. Fuck. The cycle of rain. I help the cycle of rain go and grow. And fuck. Oh yeah, the revival. This one, it goes from down. It's like I almost sink their entire being to my arm and I raise it. That one revives people from the dead. Believe it or not. Oh wait, they're right there. Ah! Scanning the ones there. I fucking love saving nature and making it flourish. Oh yeah, I made wind. You can hear it and feel it too. I am the kitty, the goddess of life and death. And I help nature grow. I help it stay alive forever. Immortal even. So we exist forever. I promise. Ah, damn flight. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully we'll be smoking weed.